What's up, y'all? Howdy doody. So I got something to show you guys, and you guys might like it. You guys might actually buy one. So we just got our Wolfpup KHW and brought it here to Candy Hill Campground to get it de-winterized and set up. Try to make sure things, all worked and such. But man, oh man, I'll tell you what, it's beautiful. Oh, Zoe, just sleeping away like she always does. Plenty of cabinetry to go around. We ended up having to get the TV, 32-inch. The bump out has the dinette set that turns into a bed, full-size bed. It's nice, super sweet. Kitchen is immaculate. Got the onboard sound system with the subwoofer and speakers on the outside, which I'll show you. Also has control panel for everything. Freaking sweet. Oh yeah, 2-burner gas stove. Actually, this is my favorite part because you have the fridge that opens that way, but you also have it can open this way as well. Oh my gosh. So I can grab a Coke from the bathroom, and then freezer. Haven't gotten anything in there yet, but it's nice and deep. It's awesome. Plenty of space, cabinets underneath, full drawers, full width of the seat. The drawers pull out. Home. And then bathroom. Oh yeah, it's got its own separate bathroom with a sink. Hey. And then shower. Hadn't even taken it out yet and ended up getting a new shower head because the old shower head sucks. But this one's freaking sweet. Direct replacement from Amazon. Yeah. There she is in all its glory. The thing I really like about this trailer is all the windows that are in here open up in some variation and way. Water hookups. It's got the automatic water heater in it. Tankless water heater. Fresh water and city water. And you know me, I have to make sure all the hoses line up. Amazing. The bump out. Oh, the old stinky slinky. Size. Tail end with the grate and the spare tire. It's even got an outside fridge for the beer or whatever else you want to put in there. Off-road tires, stabilizers. I like these stabilizers better than the scissor jack. And the bed is rather comfy too. Perfect view of everything. Awesome. So, in conclusion, I like this trailer a whole lot better than the teardrop that we had before. So much more room, 25 foot compared to 15, 16 foot. Yeah. Plus the bump out helps out with space a lot. It's got a whole lot more amenities than the teardrop had, but I can't pull this trailer with the Jeep, so yeah, that's the reason why the truck is pulling her, not the Jeep. But it's nice. We'll have some later reviews on down the road when she's not so fresh. So check back for that. Have a good day, guys.